Happy Saturday, guys. It is Saturday, January 9th, and we have a lot of projects to do today on the farm. But first off is fixing our heater. Ryan is currently on the phone with our friend, trying to figure out what's going on with our furnace. If you're catching up with us on Instagram stories, which you should, we're at Keeling Farm on Instagram. But our furnace has been messing up the last few days, and it is like 59 degrees in the house right now, and with kids, it's not always the best. So little Miss Gracie May is bundled up. William always has that winter stocking cap, so don't be fooled by that. But we definitely have a little bit extra layers on today because it's cold in here. So we're gonna get out of the house here soon and start working on projects. Finishing up lunch and then we'll head out. Go show Daddy.
That's a cool little deal. Hey, that is neat. Oh, that's a cool. I like it, Bubba.
Hey guys, so obviously I didn't film any yesterday on Saturday. We got busy with other stuff and didn't end up going out to help Ryan. But I'm going to help him right now. The kids are in the van. Gracie May's asleep and William's watching a movie. But we just got back from church and we're gonna call the cows out to this area that Ryan's fenced off.
They've been out here. It doesn't look like they went down that way.
Yeah. So Ryan fenced off part of the lane that we have our driveway along. And I'll show you guys that. But we're calling the cows over. We're gonna show them where they're at, where we want them to go. Oh, they're excited. So they're excited because they think they're gonna go someplace special, but it's not really special. But we need them to eat down this grass that's on the lane. So we'll bring them down here and show them what they got for pickings. Here they come. There we go. They're used to following Ryan for moves, so they want to follow him to see what they got. So they're gonna be able to graze along this ditch. Is it quite a ways down that way and then quite a ways the other way. So hopefully we get some good trampling. So even though we did new projects yesterday with Ryan, we're gonna go to Hutchinson and run some errands and grab some things that we need. Our heater is still messed up, which sucks. Whoops! But we will hopefully be getting it figured out here soon. I was gonna say, Sundays we always make a soup in a crock pot in the morning, and that way we are home from church and lunch is already ready. Try that trick. It really helps with kids. Make me take the fastest street. Roll it, daddy. What with the Jeep? Put it out of more crazy beat. Yay! Yay! We just got home from Hutchinson, and now the real work begins. I have groceries to put away, feeding a baby right now, and Ryan's gonna clean out our chimney for our wood burning stove so we can use it tonight.
He says, you want to come in here real quick? He says, no.
If you go up there, he will follow you up and be half up the ladder. Got a little cuddle buddy. Are you a cuddle buddy? Yeah. So Ryan went up to the roof and cleaned out the creosote from the chimney of our wood burning stove. I went ahead and cleaned out the rest of the leftover, the creosote in the bottom, and then the leftover stuff. We haven't ran this stove in like 2 years. Before William was born, we ran it, and Ryan at that time was unrolling a bunch of hay, and he's allergic to some specific kinds of grasses. So he was getting really bad headaches, and he thought that it was from the wood burning stove, so we ended up just not using it. But before that, we used it quite a bit before William was born. So it's been a while since we've used it. It definitely needed cleaned out no matter what. But he is loading up wood over at the barn right now, and then we're gonna get this going. It's actually not that bad in here, but I do have a little cuddle buddy and I have a blanket over me. So, but it'll be nice to have it tonight. So I was just editing this video and I realized I never made a closing for it. So here it is at 9:30, which is way past our bedtime. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. We have the wood burning stove going and every humidifier going in the house. So we will stay nice and toasty tonight. Hopefully this week we'll get our furnace fixed up. Next weekend we'll be working some weaned calves that we have and a couple other projects, but I can't think of them right now. So I hope you guys have a great week and we'll see you next weekend.